This video is for class 6 mathematics, and in this video we are starting with the chapter percent. Let us start with the idea of percent. Per means for every or out of, and cent means 100. Thus percent means for every 100 or out of 100. For example, if in an examination of 100 marks Geeta secured 83 marks, that means Geeta scored 83% marks. So 83 out of 100. Conversely, if in the same examination Rohit secured 67% marks, that means Rohit got 67 marks out of 100. So 83 out of 100 means 83%, 67 out of 100 means 67%, 2 out of 100 means 2%, etc. So the symbol for percent is this here, right? The symbol for percentage is this. Percent is the numerator of a fraction with denominator 100. For example, 60 out of 100. We can write it as 60 upon 100. That becomes 60%. That becomes 60%. Right here, that becomes 60%. Thus, when a fraction is so expressed that the denominator is 100, remember, denominator is 100, the corresponding numerator is called percent. The corresponding numerator is called percent. Therefore, 3 upon 100 means 3%. 5 upon 50, 7 upon 50 means 7 into 2 and 50 into 2, hence we are getting 14 upon 100, which is 14%, and so on. So basically here the basic thing is percent. Here percent means out of 100, that is 1 upon 100. Remember, percent means 1 upon 100. Okay, let us try to solve some questions from exercise 16a. Coming to the exercise 16a, question number 1, express each of the following statements in percentage form. The first question is 13 out of 20. Let us see how we have done this. Coming to its solution, exercise 16a, here we can see the question was 13 out of 20. So I have written 13 upon 20. So what I have written? 13 upon 20, right? This is 13 out of 20. But I have to change it into percentage. Hence I have multiplied by 100, which will be giving us percent also. So whenever you convert a fraction into percentage, just multiply it by 100. Simply I have multiplied by 100. Once I have multiplied by 100, after the cancellation I am getting 65%. You can see here 0 and 0 gets cancelled, and 2 can cancel 10 5 times. Hence 13 into 5 is 65%. Let us go to the next question, which is question number 1, 2. Question number 1, 2 reads as 21 eggs out of 30 are good. Let us go to its solution. This is the solution for question number 1, 2. 21 eggs out of 30 are good. So the fraction will be 21 upon 30. And how to convert it into a percentage? Just multiply it by 100%. Right? What I have done here. So then after cancellation, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 3 can cancel 21 7 times. Hence 7 into 10, I am getting 70% are good. I hope this is clear, right? Then we can go to the next question, which is question number 2. Question number 2 reads as express the following fractions as percentage, like we had done in number 1. Fractions are given to us and we need to convert it into a percent. How will I do that? I am supposed to multiply them by 100. So question number 2.1, the fraction given to us was 3 upon 200, right? I have to convert this into a percent. Hence I have multiplied it by 100. So when I multiply it by 100, then I can do the cancellation also. Then don't forget to write this percentage sign also. So two zeros and two zeros here gets cancelled, right? And hence I am getting 3/2%. Since this is an improper fraction, I can convert it into a mixed fraction, or I can convert it into a decimal, which I have done in the chapter decimal. Hence the answer is 3/2% or 1.5%, or if you want to convert it into a mixed fraction, it will be 1/2%. All three answers are right, either this, or this, 1.5. I hope you understood this. Number 2, 1. Let us try to solve number 2, 2. Question number 2, 2 reads as 5/6. I have to convert this into a percent. How will I do that? I have to simply multiply it by 100. Then I have done the cancellation. 2 3 times gives me 6, 2 3 times gives me 6, and 2 50 times is giving me 100. Hence when I multiply, I shall get 250/3, which can be converted into a mixed fraction or a decimal number, right? So I have converted this 250/3 into a mixed fraction. I hope you know how to convert it into a mixed fraction. This is how it is done. Number 2, 2. Let us try to do number 2, 3. Coming to the solution of number 2, 3, the question of number 2, 3 is 65/80. I have to convert this into a percent. Now you all know, to convert this fraction into a percent, I am supposed to multiply it by 100. So when I multiply it by 100, then I am supposed to do the cancellation. Here 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 2 4 times is 8 and 2 5 times is 10. So then I am getting 325/4%. Further simplifying it or converting it into a mixed fraction, I shall get 81/4%. I hope this is quite easy and you people can do it. Now question number 2, 4. Question number 2, 4 reads as 2/3, right? And I have to convert this 2/3 into percent. So I have to multiply it by 100. So 2/3 multiplied by 100. Hence we cannot cancel this here. So I'll get 200/3%. Then I have converted it into a mixed fraction, which is 66/3%. I hope you understood this. I have not shown you the conversion of mixed fraction because we have already done this conversion of mixed fractions, right? Conversion of fraction into a mixed fraction. Now we can go to the next question, which is question number 3. Coming to question number 3, it reads as express as percent. The same question, express as percent. But here, instead of fractions, decimal numbers are given to us, right? Instead of fractions, decimal numbers are given to us. Let us try to solve this. Well, coming to the solution of number 3.1, the question given to us is 0.10, which is a decimal number. I am supposed to convert this decimal number into a percent. So 0.10 multiplied by 100%. This is how we are supposed to convert into percent. We have to multiply it by 100. First you convert this decimal number into a fraction. As you all know this, by removing the decimal point by 2 times at the back, I shall get 100 in the denominator. Now this 100 can cancel this 100. So I am left with this 10. So my answer becomes 10%. I hope you understood this. Let us try to solve number 3.2. Question number 3.2 reads as 0.02, right? I am supposed to convert this into a percent. So I have multiplied the number by 100. Again, removing the decimal 2 times at the back, I shall get 100 in the denominator. Now this 100 can cancel this 100. So my answer becomes 2%. I hope you understood this. We can go to the next question, which is question number 3.3. Coming to the question number 3.3, which reads as 0.7. I am supposed to convert this into percent, hence I have multiplied by 100%. So after removing the decimal point at the back, I shall get 10 in the denominator. Now this 10 can cancel this 0, or 1 0 can cancel another 0, right? So the left numbers are 7 and 10. Therefore 7 multiplied by 10, I shall get 70%, right? I hope you understood this. Now we can go to the next question, which is number 3 4. Okay, question number 3 4, which is 0.15, right? So 0.15 needs to get converted into percent. Hence I have multiplied the given number by 100. So after removing the decimal point at the back, I shall get 100 in the denominator. Now this 100 can cancel this 100. Hence my answer becomes 15%. Now we can go to the next question, which is question number 3 5. Coming to the solution of number 3 5, first the question number 3 5 is 0.032. Now I have to convert this into percent. Hence I have multiplied by 100%. So after removing the point 3 times at the back, after removing the point 3 times, I shall get 1000 in the denominator. These two zeros can cancel these two zeros. So I'll get 32 upon 10, which is 3.2%. I hope you understood number 3. Now we can go to question number 4. Coming to question number 4, the question reads as convert into fractions in their lowest term. Here you can see percentage is given or percent is given, and we are supposed to convert them into fractions. Coming to the solution of number 4.1, here 8% is given to us, and this has to be converted into a fraction. So what I have done is I have divided this 8 by 100, because when we were converting fraction into percentage, then we were multiplying it by 100, the fraction by 100. But right now we are converting percentage into fraction, hence we are dividing it by 100, dividing the number by 100. So 8% means 8 upon 100. After cancellation, here I have cancelled by 2. 4 times 8 and 250 times 100. Again 2 times is 4 and 225 times is 50. Hence my answer is 2 upon 25. 2 upon 25. This is answer number 4.1. Let us go to the next question. Question number 4.2. Question number 4.2 is 20%. 20%. Like before, I have to write it as 20 upon 100. So which can be cancelled. This 0 and 0 can be cancelled. 2 1 times and 2 5 times. Hence my answer is 1 upon 5. I hope you understood this. Coming to the next question, which is 4.3. The question given to us is 85%. So to convert it into fraction, I am supposed to write 85 upon 100. This can be cancelled now. 5 times, right? 5 17 times as shown here, and 5 20 times. So my answer will be 7 upon 20. This was quite simple. So now we can go to the next question, which is question number 4.4. Coming to the next question, which is question number 4.4, the question given to us is 250%. So now 250 upon 100, that will be my next step. Then the cancellation, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 5 2 times and 5 5 times. 5 2 times is 10 and 5 5 times is 25. Hence my answer will be 5.2. But since this is an improper fraction, I have to convert it into a mixed fraction. This is how we are supposed to do number 4.4. Now going to the next question, question number 4.5. The question given to us is in mixed fraction, that is 12.5% or 12 whole 1 upon 2%. My first step will be to convert it into an improper fraction, which will be 25 upon 2. 2 into 12 plus 1, that is 25 upon 2. Now since I have to convert this percentage into a fraction, I am supposed to divide it by 100, or simply as I've said earlier in the video, a percentage equal to 1 upon 100, right? So using this analogy we can write 25.2 multiplied by percentage means 1 upon 100. So we can cancel this 25 one times and 100 4 times. Hence my answer will be 1 into 1 which equals to 1 and 2 into 4 which equals to 8. So my answer is 1 upon 8. That's how we are supposed to do number 4. Now we can go to the next question, which is question number 5. Question number 5 reads as express as decimal fractions. In the previous sum we had converted percentage into fractions. Now we need to convert the percentage or the percent into decimals. Let us see how it is done. Coming to the first solution of this kind of question, which is expressed as decimal fractions. Number 1, the question given to us is 25%. So as you know, you can write it as 25 upon 100. Now here you can see there are two zeros, right? So a decimal point can be put in front of two digits from the back. So hence I put a decimal point in front of 2. So my answer is 0.25. So this we have done in decimals also. So kindly refer to decimal fractions chapter if you don't understand this. Now we can go to the next question, which is question number 5.2. In the question 5.2, the question given to us is 108%. So again we know that it can be written as 108, that is 108 upon 100. Now again changing into a decimal number, there are two zeros, hence we can put a decimal point in front of two digits from the back. So my answer will be 1.08. Going to the next question, which is question number 5.3. The question given to us is 95%. So 95% can be written as 95 upon 100. Again using the same knowledge of decimal fractions, we can convert this into decimal number. So we have two zeros here, therefore I can write a point before two digits, right? So my answer is 0.95. That's how we have done number 5.3. Now going to the next question, which is number 5.4. The question given to us is 4.5%. So we can write it as 4.5 upon 100. Now I have to put a decimal point in front of how many digits? Two digits, but the decimal is already there in front of one digit. So by moving the decimal towards my left hand side, I need to move it two times. Once it comes in front of 4, and the next time there is no number, so I need to put 0. I hope you know this. Hence we have two digits here, in total 3 digits. So the answer is 0.045. We have done this step here in decimal fractions also. Now we can go to the next question, which is number 5.5. So question number 5.5 reads as 29.2%, like before. So next step will be 29.2 upon 100. So again moving the decimal point 2 steps in front, right? So my answer will be 0.292. That's all about question number 5. Now we can do question number 6. Coming to the last question of exercise 16A, question number 6. So express each of the following numbers as percent. So number is given, we have to convert into percent, like number 1, 2 and 3. That means I need to multiply it by 100. Okay, let us see how it is done. Coming to question number 6.1, the question given is 7. So how to convert into percent? I have to multiply it by 100. So my answer will be 700%. I think you can do others also, but I have done it for you. We can go to the next number, which is number 6.2. The question given to us is 2. So what will be in how will you convert it into percent? And simply I need to multiply it by 100. Hence I will get 200%. The next number 6.3. The question given to us is 19.5. So I have to multiply this 19.5 by 100. So I've removed the decimal point and hence I got 10 here. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. So my answer is 1950% by multiplying 195 and 10. So the next question will be question number 4. The question is 5.37. 5.37, like before, I have to convert it into percentage, so I am multiplying it by 100. Again, there are 2 digits after the decimal point, so I can put 100 in the denominator. This 100 and this 100 can be cancelled, right? One time and one time. So my answer will be 537%. This is all for exercise 16a. Thank you so much.